She can hear the dog is very hungry and she doesn't like that I'm in here and not in there. I'm gonna try some apples. She hasn't had apples yet. We've done carrots. I thought these might work in this ball. Okay. So apples are fine for dogs. Just make sure you don't have any seeds in it because seeds have arsenic. So we don't want that. Okay, she's a small puppy, so I don't think I've ever put any more in there. Oh, that looks like enough. Okay, we'll give her that many. I haven't upped her kibble amount, so she's grown a little bit, so I'm just gonna put in some extra treats for something for her to chew. And we'll see how she likes it. If I can keep them in there before I give it to her. Okay, we're gonna see what Vicky thinks of her treat ball with apples in it. Or for that matter, apple slices. She hasn't had them before. She hasn't really used her paws a lot when she plays. Do you like apples, Vicky? We tried playing fetch with the ball earlier, but it was too big for her to grab. So we will need a smaller one of these for that. I've also seen people put a smaller ball inside, but we don't have a smaller one. Okay, this seems to be working because I wanted the slices to be small enough or to make several, but big enough that they don't come out right away. So it'd give her different ways to try to get the treats out. Like I said, some people use fabric pieces and put that in to fill up the ball and then put treats inside like her kibble or smaller treats. I didn't want to do that though because she's having problems grabbing our pants legs, our pajamas, and our shirts, pretty much all of our clothes. So if I encourage her to chew on fabric, would probably just encourage her to keep chewing on our clothes. So I don't want to do that. Also, you need to make sure you're using something that the dog will not choke on. And since she pretty much chews everything, I'm afraid she might choke on that. Okay, well this seems to be working really well. It's keeping her entertained, giving her some exercise, mental stimulation, which is what you want. Oh, it wore out. She's thinking about taking a nap, which actually, since she played with me in the hallway and we tried to do a little brushing earlier and had a training session, I thought she'd for sure want a nap, but she was crying a moment ago. Might be like a little kid crying before they go to sleep. So I think after this she'll sleep this afternoon. She's used to having kibble, so she's looking to see if anything came out because the kibble always comes out really fast. So this is working good because she's having to work at it a little harder. got a new method. She didn't do this last time. It's kind of new tactic to use.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. That really helps me meet the monetization goals with YouTube, and it doesn't cost anything. And that way you don't miss out on any future Vicky videos. We also have some crafting videos and cooking videos for you to check out. Thank you.